Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and very clever blow-off tube so that you can avoid corrosion to get everywhere, but also to make a direct oxygen-free closed transfer from your fermentation tank to your keg. Remember, if you like the video, please click like and subscribe down in the corner here. You'll make me very happy and you'll get the newest videos directly in your YouTube feed. Remember, you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So, this blow-off tube is really easy to make. All you need is one of these carbonation or cleaning valves, a bit of beer line or CO2 line, and then a bottle. Make a hole in the bottle. And here you actually have, these are basically the same. So an airlock, just a small one, and a big airlock. So what's the difference here? Well, if you have a really hot or wild fermentation, really active fermentation, the corrosion can get up through here and get all over the place. So there has to be a lot of corrosion to get out of this hole. So this is just safer and cleaner. But the genius thing is that you can just take your a CO2 line here and a CO2 valve, hook it up here, and then with one of these you can actually place this in the lid of your fermentation tank, and it will go in here. And the genius thing about this is when the fermentation is all done and you have to keg your beer, you just take this, put it on the CO2 on the keg, and on the tap from your fermentation tank you put another bottle lock and put it directly onto the beer valve. Now you have a complete oxygen-free closed transfer. CO2 has been shooting out of this, so this is full of CO2. It's trapped as soon as you get the bottle lock off. You place it on your keg. Make sure that your keg has been filled up with star sand and emptied with CO2, so that is pure CO2 in there. And that's it. It's so simple, it's very cheap, it can really make a difference, especially with hoppy beers, but also lagers and beers with Cara malt in there. Really all beers, but especially hoppy beers. It will make a world of difference if you get a closed oxygen-free transfer. So that was it. Remember, click like, subscribe. You get the newest videos in your YouTube feed and you'll make me very happy. You will help the channel. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions at all, just write to me through Facebook, Instagram, or just down in the comments. It's up to you. So yeah, that was it. Happy brewing out there.